Introducing the sleek and sophisticated 2018 Audi A4 Limousine 2.0tdi 122/4 door in black. This stunning saloon boasts a 2-litre diesel engine, manual transmission, and a range of top-of-the-line features. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this car has it all. Safety is key with ABS, airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Stand out with LED lights and tinted windows. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can trust in this Audi. Don't miss out. Call now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this exceptional vehicle.